academic year 2020 and craft topic it is. It's a craft topic. What we are going to do is I'm going to give you the topic. What is the topic? You have to make a bird hanging. Okay, we are going to make a bird hanging today. So we need some, you can say it's like a best out of waste. So there are, at your home, there are many, this kind of cardboard you can see. There are many boxes like this. So you can use these boxes and I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you what are the ingredients, what are the materials which we need is we need a cardboard, okay, waste cardboard paper, and you need some, okay, we need 3 to 4 threads you need, and what we need is we need a, you can use a scissor. You can use a scissor or you can use a cutter. So I'm comfortable with my cutter. But whenever you're doing cutting things or anything, take help of your elders. Okay. No one is going to directly start with this. You can cut your finger. So now what we are going to do is, and what you need is, you need a color. Okay. So we have some color. I have sketch pen. So we are going to use all the things and we are going to do it. So, are you ready for the class, each and everyone? And this is the cardboard sheet. In this, I'm going to make the branch of the tree, and I have got some craft paper with me for making the bird. Okay, so this is the cardboard sheet which I have done over here. I have kept it over here. Now I'm going to first. What I'm going to do is, here comes my pencil, and I'm going to make the branch of the tree. So I'm going to make it quite bigger so that you can see it properly. So this is my cardboard sheet, and this is how I'm going to make the branch of the tree. So this is how you're going to make the branch of the tree. Okay, and now I'm going to cut this branch properly. I have got the cutter. Okay, here I have got the cutter, and now I'm just going to cut this. Take help of the elders whenever you are doing cutting work. Take help of your elders. Don't do it by yourself. Okay, take help of your elders. They will help you out. Don't do it one-handedly. You can cut off your fingers. So be careful whenever you're doing this kind of work. Take help of your elder brother, sister, or your parents. Okay, you can take help of your mother or your father in the house. The branch out. So this is the branch of the tree which I have made, the house which I have made, and now I'm going to cut this house. Here I have got the cutout of the house. So I'm going to make the another house, and I'm going to occupy the space over here. Just look at this. Cutted the another house. Okay, I'll just give a lining to it so that you can see it properly. Okay, so this is how I have made the two houses. Now what I'm going to do is, now I'm going to just make the doors of the house. So here I'm giving a heart shape to this. Okay, this is the door of the house. So this is how you're going to do it. Okay, I made the doors of the house. Now I'm to keep this aside, and then what we are going to do is I'm going to make the bird. So for making the bird, uh, I'm going to use another cardboard over here, and I have got two parts and two birds and two homes. So I have cut it out over here. So now what we are going to do is I'm going to keep all those things aside. Here we have completed all the things, and now what we are going to do here, you can make some two strips like things to decorate the house. Here I have taken two strips, and now I'm going to highlight the house with this. Okay, so first just cut it properly. Okay, take the Fevicol and you can stick this part over here. Okay, so here we are getting some Fevicol over here, or you can use a Fevistick if you want. It's quite faster. Okay, you can stick these things quite faster over here. Take the made the both the houses as you can see, and now I'm going to work on the bird part. So here I'm going to make the birds. I'm going to color the birds. So here I'm taking a yellow color, and what else color I have? Here I am taking a red color. Okay, one yellow color paper and one red color paper I have taken. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place this bird on this. Okay, as you can see, and here I'm going to measure the trace the shape over here in this part, and then I'm giving you a short tricky method how you can draw it in one single cut. You can finish this cutting part. So how you're going to do is just fold the page into half and take this and you can cut this thing from here. Just look at this. Just look at this. This is how you're going to cut this. This is how you're going to cut it out. Now what you're going to do is I'm going to apply the Fevicol. One bird will be of opposite, and this is how you're going to do it. Apply the Fevistick properly. Okay, and then what you're going to do is here I'm going to place the cardboard as you can see in this part. Okay, and this is the bird one, and same with the other. Apply the Fevicol properly. Okay, and then just placing this paper upon this. Just look at this. This is how you're going to place the sheet, and you're going to stick it properly. So yeah, as you can see, here I have got two birds in this part. Okay, and now what we are going to do is two birds, two houses are ready. We are going to color the house later. Okay, and then now what we are going to do is here I'm folding the paper into half. Okay, here I'm taking a strip, tearing the paper properly, and what we are going to do in this strip is we are going to make the wings of the bird. So we are going to make one more small comma. Okay, as you can see here I have made a small comma shape over here and cut it properly. So this is how you're going to cut this. As you can see, here I've got two shapes over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this part. Okay, so here I'm applying some Fevicol in this part. Okay, and sticking this part over here. Okay, Here I have sticked one part and the other one comes over here, and this is how I have applied the Fevicol, and I have stick this part in this part. And now I'm going to take a sketch pen or a marker, you can say, and draw the eyes of the bird. Okay, so this is how I'm going to make the eyes of the bird. One is male and the second one is female. So here I'm showing some eyelashes over here to get a proper look. And now at the end, what we are going to do is we are going to make the beak. We are going to make the mouth, you can say, that is called the beak of the bird. So what you are going to do is fold the paper into half. Okay, we are going to use the same waste paper, make a triangle shape over here. Okay, as you can see, I'm making a triangle or a diamond shape, you can say. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this shape out properly. So here I'm cutting the proper shape of that beak. This is the way how you're going to cut it, and your beak is ready. Okay, here we have got two beaks, and now what we are going to do is I'm going to apply the Fevicol over here and paste it from the back hand side, or you can paste it in this way also. Okay, if you want it will look nice. So just look at this. Same way, apply the Fevicol and then paste it over here. Just look at this. So as you can see, these are the two birds which we have done. And now what we are going to do is we are going to make some feathers. Okay, so here I have taken this color of paper. Now I'm going to teach you how to make the feather. It's very easy and it's very simple. Take the paper, tear the paper out, divide this paper into three parts. Okay, and now I'll teach you how to make a feather. Okay, so what you're going to do is first you're going to take the shape of a feather. So now what you're going to do is you're going to give a proper cuts to it, add a proper cuts. Just look at this. So as you can see here, I have got the proper feathers. Now you can see here I have cut the page properly in this part, and now I'm going to stick this feather on this part of the bird. So as you can see over here, this way you're going to make the feather. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to apply the Fevicol and stick it on the back side over here. Again, take a Fevicol, apply some Fevicol in this part, and again you can stick this feather on this part. So this is how you're going to make the bird. So as you can see this, we have completed one bird. So again you can do it same way. Make the shape of the feather. Okay, then give the proper cuts, add the cuts to this way you're going to make this. You just look at this. Here I've made the feather. Now I'm going to stick it in the same way, applying the Fevicol on this part. Okay, I have applied the Fevicol and sticking the feather on this part, as you can see this thing. And then again take your Fevicol and sticking in this part. Just look at this. This is the way how you're going to make the birds. We have completed the bird. As you can see this. Okay, we have completed both the birds. Now I'm going to show you how to color the house. So here you can color the house, or you can do one thing. You can cut out the proper strips of that same size paper. Okay, we're going to cut the strips. It will get you easier for you to do it. But you can color also, or you can stick the proper sticks. Okay, strip of the papers. So this is how you're going to do it. Now what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to measure the mark over here. Okay, I'm going to mark it properly and cut this paper out. And now what I'm going to do is, here I'm applying the Fevicol. Okay, and now sticking the paper. This is quite easier. Okay, this is very easy and you can easily do this. So this is how you're going to do it. So just look at this. Stick the paper properly, as you can see this. And in the down on the other house, you can do it in the same way. Just measure the proper measurement and cut the paper out. Okay, here I have cut the paper. Apply the Fevicol on this part. Okay, here I am applying the Fevicol properly, and here I have stick the paper, and in the same way apply the Fevicol in this part, and here I have stick the paper. Okay, just look at this. This is how you can do it. And cutting the excess paper. So this is the way how you're going to complete the house. Now you can use different color shapes also in this. Okay, here I'm going to cut one more strip, a yellow strip you can say. This is very easy. You can easily do this and complete this. It will not take much time to do complete this topic. So this is how you're going to stick the paper and cut the excess paper. Okay, so here I have cutted the excess paper. Same way, apply the Fevicol. Okay, stick the paper. Okay, so this is how I have stick the paper, and now I'm cutting out the excess paper. So this is how I have gave the proper border to it. And if you want, you can add a different red color shape in this. Okay, so how you're going to do it, just get the pencil. Okay, make the border properly, and now what you're going to do is get the proper shape. Okay, join the lines properly. Okay, and now what we are going to do is, we are going to fold the paper into half. Here we have folded the paper into half, and now I'm going to cut this shape out. It's very easy and it's very simple. Just look at this. Just look at this. I've cutted the paper out, and here you can see now. See, this is the way how we have done it. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take the glue, apply on this shape properly. Okay, and then I'm going to stick this paper on this. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. Okay, here I have completed one house, and now the other one I'm going to do it. So what I'm going to do is, here I'm applying some Fevicol to this part, and here I'm going to stick it. So this is how we all have done this. So here I have completed the house. We have completed the bird, as you can see in this part. Okay, you can take a marker, you can take a black marker, and you can draw the door of the house. So here I am adding a heart shape design to this and color the inside part. Okay, so this, as you can see, this is the way how I have completed this house. And same way in this part again I'm drawing a heart shape over here, coloring the inside part properly. So this is how you can do it. It's very easy and it's very simple. We have completed with two houses, two birds, and now we are going to work on the branch part. It's already brown, so you can leave it in this part in this way. So what we are going to do now is we are going to stick the birds. Okay, we are going to hang the birds, but before that we are not going to hang the bird. We are going to stick the bird on this part. We are going to hang the house. So you have to turn the house backside, and what you have to do is you are going to take a strip of paper this way. Okay, this way, and then you have to apply the Fevicol on that part. Okay, you have to keep the thread in the center. You have to apply the Fevicol as you can see over here, and stick the thread on this part. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. So just look at this. Here I have sticked it properly, and then my house will hang properly. Okay, so this is how you're going to do it. One, and I have got one more red thread over here. Same way, turn the house back, and then what you're going to do is you're going to paste the stick the thread. So same way, apply the Fevicol on the paper properly, and then going to stick this paper on this. So as you can see, I've got this proper. And now turn the page, turn the branch back, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this home over here. Okay, here I have flipped the house in this part. As you can see, it's on you. If you want one house up and one house down, you can do it in that way. So what we are going to do is we need to stick one part, one house up and one house down. So for that, what we are going to do is make one thread bigger and one thread small, and then after this, take the paper strips, take the paper strip over here. I have got the strip and applying the Fevicol on this part of the paper, and I'm going to stick the paper on this with the help of the thread. I'm going to hang it over here. So be careful that you're sticking the strip of the paper properly, and as you can see, okay, cut the excess paper out, and now you can see what I have done over here. So just look at this. You get the proper idea what I have done till now. What I have done over here, you can get the proper idea. Just look at this. Here I have done, I've drawn the branch of the tree. Okay. Here I have drawn the branch of the tree. In this part you can see. Okay. And there are two homes in this. And now what we are going to do is we are going to stick the bird on this part. Okay. On this part we are going to stick the bird. So I just turn the camera. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick this bird on this branch. Okay, so they are sitting on the branch, as you can see. So for that, here I am applying the Fevicol and I am sticking those bird on this. Here I have done. And now at the last, what you're going to do is we are going to make the leaves. So for making the leaves, we have here you can use the green color paper. How to make the leaves? I'll just show you. Fold the paper into half. Again, you can fold the paper in this half. Okay, and then on this part. Okay, now what you're going to do is you're going to fold one more part in this. Okay, here, and then here I'm just look at this how I'm going to make the leaf. Just look at this. This is how I have cut the leaves. Just look at this. Yes, in one cut you can get 4 to 5 leaves. Okay, so now what you're going to do is take the Fevicol and stick the leaves on the branches. So this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. Okay, here we have stick the leaves properly in this part. So just you can add some much more leaves you can draw. Okay, just cut. You can make some more leaves if you want. It's optional. If you want, you can do it. So this is how you're going to draw the leaves. Okay, as you can see, I have got some more leaves and I'm going to stick these leaves in this part. So here I have completed the bird hanging. As you can see, I'll just show you. Here I have completed the bird hanging. Just look at this. For hanging this part, you can just look at this. This is the bird hanging which we have done. Okay, I hope each and everyone had got. You can add one more thread over here on the back hand side to hang the branch. So what we are going to do is, here we have got one thread over here. Okay, you can say something like sutli or something, or you can add one more paper over here or this kind of design. And now what we're going to do is same way. Here I have got some threads over here, so I'm going to add that thread. First I'm going to tie the knot. Just look at this. What I'm going to do is, I've got the thread. I'm tying a knot properly so that my thread should not go out. So tying a knot at the both the ends. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a strip of paper. Yes, I'm going to take a strip of paper. Tear this paper here and apply the Fevicol. And I'm going to stick this thing in this part. Okay. So this is how you're going to do it. Here I'm attaching it properly. Again, I'm going to and applying the Fevicol properly on the strip, and then I'm going to stick this thread on this part. Okay, and we have completed this thing, bird hanging. So this is how you're going to do it. Just look at this. You can add a bit more. See, this is how you're going to make the bird hanging. So I hope each and everyone has understood this, how to make this bird hanging. Yes, just look at